Hey, this is Fashion World with GP, and in my today's video, I have created this very beautiful crease cut yellow smoky eye look. So to know how I get this look, keep on watching. Firstly, I'm using this plum green tea mattifying moisturizer to moisturize my skin. It gives a matte finish to my skin and it is really good to use. After that, I'm using this Joy Honey and Almond Nourishing Skin Cream. So guys, trust me, it is very helpful for the skin and I don't feel any dryness in my skin after using this, and I always use this nourishing cream in winters. Now I'm applying this Dot & Key gel moisturizer. It is a 72 hours gel moisturizer with probiotics and it will give you results within 3 days and it is really good to use. Now I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm blending the foundation by using a beauty blender. I'm using chocolate flavored pore fixing foundation from Mermaid Cosmetics. I'm applying the Lakme compact powder over my face. Now I'm using the brown shade from the Lakme eye palette to apply it over the crease of my eyes. I'm blending the eyeshadow by using a blending brush. Guys, blending is very important part of our makeup. So I will blend this eyeshadow until I get my desired look. So guys, now I am cutting the crease very carefully and slowly. From the Revolution eye palette, I am using the yellow color over my eyes. I'm applying the black eyeshadow in the outer V area of my eyes. I'm blending the black eyeshadow with the yellow eyeshadow. Using the white eyeliner from Million Colors to make a white line over my crease. Just like my right eye, I am creating the same eye look for my left eye. Now I am doing my eyebrows. I'm using the blush and also highlighting my cheekbones, brow bones and nose. Using the pink lip liner to lining my lips. I'm using the brown color matte lipstick from My Glam. Lastly, using the black kajal of Lakme. So this is my final look. Guys, if you like my today's look, so please let me know in the comment section, and do share and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.